Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. And let me tell you, I'm really a regular dude. I've got COVID right now, but I can be out here in the studio recording this, and it doesn't affect anybody. However, it takes me I've had to redo this like 3 times now. We'll see if this one actually works. In order because I break out coughing or whatever. And so this episode is kind of a challenge here to do today. It's entitled today, A Hardened Heart. And this is taken from Exodus. We're in Exodus, in case you didn't know. And it's Exodus 28, going all the way to chapter 7, verse 7. So let me read this. Let's see if we can get through this today. All right? Follow along with me. It says this, Now when the Lord spoke to Moses in Egypt, he said to him, I am the Lord, tell Pharaoh, king of Egypt, everything I tell you. But Moses said to the Lord, Since I speak with faltering lips, why would Pharaoh listen to me? Now this was a common excuse, and we've talked about this in the past, so I'm not going to rehash it much again here. But Aaron is now speaking for Moses here on behalf of Moses. Verse 1 of chapter 7. Then the Lord said to Moses, See, I have made you like God to Pharaoh, and your brother Aaron will be your prophet. Okay, let me stop there. It says he will be your prophet. There's two groups of people in the Old Testament. You had the prophets and you had the priests. The prophet represented God to the people. Okay, so he spoke on behalf of God to the people. The priest was an advocate for the people to God. Okay, so you didn't really have those two mixed up. Okay, there was a time, I think Ezra was a prophet, was a priest who was also a prophet also. But you had the priest, which represented the people to God, and then you had the prophet speaking for God to the people. Okay, very important for us to point that out. Verse 2, You are to say everything I command you, and your brother Aaron is to tell Pharaoh to let the Israelites go out of the country. But I will harden Pharaoh's heart, and though I will multiply my signs and wonders in Egypt, he will not listen to you. Then I will lay my hand on Egypt, and with a mighty axe of judgment I will bring out my divisions. My people, the Israelites, and the Egyptians will know that I am the Lord when I stretch out my hand against Egypt and bring the Israelites out of it. Moses and Aaron did just as the Lord commanded them. Moses was 80 years old and Aaron 83 when they spoke to Pharaoh. Okay? Now, let me go back here where it says, I will in verse 3 here, but I will harden Pharaoh's heart. I don't want you to get the impression here that when that is said, I will harden Pharaoh's heart, that Pharaoh was just an innocent guy, just minding his own business, and all of a sudden God grabbed him, hardened his heart, and made him a mean, nasty guy. Okay, that's not the way it was at all. God was really kind of revealing his heart, what was deep down inside his heart. He was revealing that. That's the proper way to look at it. J. Vernon McGee also has another way, a good way to illustrate this. It's like taking a rope and twisting it. And when I have a rope and it's laying in nasty water, and then I go and twist it, that nasty water comes out of that, and it's revealed, oh, that rope was pretty nasty. Okay, and so that's what's happening here. Is God is putting the pressure on Pharaoh. And you'll see it with these 10 plagues coming up here. He puts the pressure on Pharaoh, and as he does that, you will see his heart revealed. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. You will find that today in people too. They will appear like, no, I'm just living my life and being a great person, okay? And their heart is not revealed until pressure is put upon it. And when that pressure is put upon it, their heart is revealed. So you'll have a person, and it can be something simple like this. You're playing basketball, and a guy you have two people. you're playing basketball, and one guy gets hit in the head, right in the face. His nose is smashed and everything. Gets hit in the head. Actually, both guys get hit in the head in their face. The first guy goes, "Ouch, that hurts. Oh, well, that's too bad that happened." And I can thank the Lord that I don't have a broken nose now. Okay, that reveals his heart. Then you have the other guy, and he was just a super nice guy before. When that happens, he starts cussing at everybody. He gets mad and throws the ball way over the fence and starts a fight with another guy. His heart is now revealed, and it's like, oh yeah, I don't really want to be around that guy. Well, it revealed the nature of his heart. Okay, and his heart is hardened in that way. Okay, so that's what happened with Pharaoh, this hardening of the heart. His heart was already like this. His heart was self-seeking, wanting to please himself, and not pleasing God, that's for sure. And so God hardened that heart and revealed the way Pharaoh was. Thank you for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.